Alright, now here to put this bulb in, this can be a battle when you can't see it, so I'm going to make sure we can see it very well. I've got the cap taken off of the wires. You can see it's got this keyhole-like feature. That's for this rod thing that comes up and down the bulb. So you have the three pieces, and I'm sure you've wrestled with this trying to figure out how to do it. I found a super easy way. This little nodule here goes to the circle right there, so you put that on. And then you turn it. Now, locked into place. Perfect. So now this is one complete unit. And if I was to put this on here, it fits on there perfectly. It holds on really nice, and so it went on really easy. So, do that again. Perfect. Now what happens is this bulb can go on two ways. It can go on one way or 180 degrees off, but you have to make sure that this goes into this keyhole spot. So what you do is you put that down in here without touching it, like so, and it has the capacity to turn. Do not turn it. That's where we break into run into the problems. About trying to turn this, thinking they'll make it work. Just set it in there, and as a whole unit, it won't fall out. Put that towards here, make sure the keyhole goes in, and when you put that in there and turn it, voila, that's how easy it is. How simple is that? That's what happens. Is the problem is we try and turn that bulb when we stick it in there, and then it won't work. The turning of the bulb happens when you put it on the device. So that's how you need to put it in. Lock the ring in, put the bulb in, but do not turn it. Set it in there, turn it. Perfect every time.